Welcome to another episode of the AI Workflow Lab. In this episode, I'm going to talk to you about Copilot Cowork. This is the new agent that's accessible if you're in the Frontier program. And if you're not, it will certainly come out to your tenant in the near future, very soon, I'd imagine, because it's in Frontier. The difference between Copilot Cowork and the other Copilots you've seen up to this point is this one is multitasks. You can type in a set of prompts and it will go ahead and it will give you more efficient outputs. It'll create reports with visuals and charts, etc., based on the prompt you've given. Whereas the other agents, the other copilots, whilst they're still good, it's more a retrieval experience. Find information or create some reports from the content it searches. But this one, what I will say is that the outputs are a lot more complete, creating comprehensive reports, comprehensive presentations, automatically messaging, emailing recipients, things like that. So let's go ahead and let me share my screen and show you what Copilot Cowork looks like. So firstly, when you go into your Copilot chat, you click on all agents and you'll see it over there in the brackets Frontier. I'll click on it. And you'll notice when you get to that, once you open it, you'll see it open and you'll have some placeholder prompts that you can use. You'll also notice if I click on auto here, it's powered by Claude. So this is Anthropic and Microsoft being united in certain scenarios, if you may have heard. So this is where Copilot is leveraging the Anthropic model and the functionality that it brings surfaced through the Microsoft environment. So the best way to show you how it works is to actually use a real use case with fictitious data, I might add, but still real. So I'm going to attach a document, click on add work content, and this is how you can do it. And then I'm going to search financial sample data. Now, what do I want Copilot Cowork to do? Command V. So using the attached file, produce a professional report. I need to have an executive summary. I want key trends for the customer by customer. I want key practical recommendations, total invoice value, paid, unpaid. I want all of those things, clear practical recommendations in a report with a formal business tone, structured with clear headings and ready for circulation without further editing. So I want Cowork to go ahead, do that. I keep on thinking it's Coworker. I feel they should have called it Coworker, not Cowork, but that's me. Hey, maybe they will later on. So I want Cowork to go ahead and do that. So I've got my prompt here, click on send, and off it goes. Now, what I will warn you is that it's still Frontier, so no doubt there'll be some fine tuning in further iterations of this agent. But on face value, my opinion, what I've seen so far is that it's quite good. In previous videos, I've typed a prompt and I've jokingly said, the response will come before you even have a chance to make a coffee. And that was true. But in this particular case, you definitely have time to make a coffee. In the testing I've done in previous prompts, the time that it's taken based on the prompt I would add is between 2 to 4 minutes. But that's not 2 to 4 minutes where you're sat down just looking at the screen, twiddling your thumbs. That's 2 to 4 minutes that you can invest in doing other things and not have to worry about the report, because you know what? Cowork is doing that for you. So in this scenario, you can either pretend to be doing other things or go and make a coffee or have a chat with your colleagues, whichever one. But whilst it's doing that, I'll just show you some of the layout of the structure in terms of the feedback that it provides to you. So whilst it's working through, you'll see there's some sections here. There's a progress section that you can minimize and maximize. It tells you what it's doing. It's retrieving and analyzing the financial data. There's an output folder section. That's where the report it creates is going to be over there. The input folder, that's the Excel spreadsheet, which the Contosa company financials. Skills, again, any acquired skills that it utilizes to give the report will appear there. So a nice little template, and then you can see it's working away here in the background. And as I say, the reality is that it's not something that it will do in a few seconds. It will take 3 to 4 minutes. So obviously this is a video, so what I'm going to do is fast forward but I will be honest, I'll tell you how long it took. Okay, so see you shortly. So here we are. So we're back now. So this time You can see, let's see how long it took. So we've got a little progress bar here. If I scroll up, you'll see it took 6 minutes, 6.7 minutes. That's how long it took. On the left-hand side, or on the right-hand side, you can see the progress area, the output folder, the input folder. So let me first show you what it was working off. So, because I didn't show you that at the beginning. So obviously I asked it to create a report based on this financials document, spreadsheet, which has got a lot of rows, probably about 100 rows or so, and with a lot of financial data. And again, the prompt was for it to create an output report. So what does that report look like? So if I close that point there, I come back to the interface, and I can see, obviously, it gives me a summary of what it's done in terms of the cover pages, the different sections of the report. And if I actually load the report, you'll see I've got some branding. Okay, it's still not templated, but hopefully that will come in mine. No doubt you'll have your templates. We've got a heading, we've got a title, we've got a table of contents, although that doesn't seem to be showing up quite well. Again, I'm being transparent with you guys. You've got a good executive summary. That's not bad, in terms of how the company performed, etc. We've got some financial overviews of the different products. We've got the expense structure. We've got some key trends and key observations with each trend. I like that section, the headers, the subheadings, the bullet points again. So from a formatting perspective, it looks quite good, I would say. And again, this was 6 minutes based on that Excel spreadsheet. Got the recommendations here, 6 or 7 of them. So this is still early doors, but in my opinion, it's quite a good thing, right? You've got this comprehensive report that you can edit, you can put your own logo on top of it. Of course, it'd be good if it could pick up your own templates, and I'm sure that will come. That will certainly come. But you can see, this is what it does. This is what Cowork does. It can create quite a comprehensive report based on your single prompt. And again, this was the prompt I did. So this is just I'll no doubt there'll be more videos that I issue around Cowork. This is it in Frontier program. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe. I will no doubt come back again with more information, with additional AI conversations and videos. But that was one-stop shop tour on Copilot Cowork. Not bad. So hope you liked it, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.